Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Welcome to our clear guide on Rule 14 of the COLREGs, which specifically addresses the head-on situation between two power-driven vessels. This rule is a cornerstone of maritime safety because it provides a simple and universal solution to one of the most dangerous encounters at sea. The rule states that when two power-driven vessels are meeting on reciprocal or nearly reciprocal courses, so as to involve risk of collision, each shall alter her course to starboard, so that each shall pass on the port side of the other. This is effectively the drive on the right rule of the sea, and it ensures that both vessels move in a direction that increases the distance between them. To help mariners identify this situation, Rule 14 explains that such a situation shall be deemed to exist when a vessel sees the other ahead or nearly ahead, and by night she could see the masthead lights of the other in a line or nearly in a line and or both sidelights. By day, she observes the corresponding aspect of the other vessel. It is important to note that this rule only applies to power-driven vessels. If you are a power-driven vessel, meeting a sailing vessel, or a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver other rules, take precedence. However, when two motorized vessels meet nose to nose, the instruction is absolute. If there is any doubt as to whether such a situation exists, the rule dictates a cautious approach, stating that a vessel shall assume that it does exist and act accordingly. This means you should not wait for the other vessel to move first or try to pass on their starboard side unless there are exceptional circumstances. By both vessels turning to starboard, the intended passing distance is doubled, and the intention of each mariner becomes clear to the other. These actions should be large enough to be readily apparent to the other vessel, as required by Rule 8. At night, this maneuver is particularly effective because as you turn to starboard, your red port sidelight becomes more prominent to the other vessel, while their red light becomes the primary light you see, confirming a safe port-to-port passing. Rule 14 removes the need for complex calculations or communication in a high-pressure moment by providing a default, predictable behavior. Whether you are in the middle of the ocean or approaching a harbor entrance, seeing a vessel dead ahead requires a decisive turn to the right. By following this rule strictly, mariners avoid the confusion that leads to collisions and ensure that even the most direct approach is resolved safely and professionally. Mastering this simple turn to starboard is a fundamental skill for every navigator, ensuring that the path ahead remains clear for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.